Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at New Zealand yen. Alright, so as the name suggests, especially this video over here is really for expert level. So if you don't understand, rewatch it, especially if you are watching it on the social media instead of our student platform. Chances you are not our students, so don't get confused. Alright, so rewatch it. I'm going to share with you some perspective of what my mind is going through every time I'm looking through a trade. Alright, so on the daily chart, what we see over here is pretty much a double bottom. Market went back up and have a consolidation along the consolidation zone, although this is not a very good level because you see it does form a, if you draw a line, it does form a support or resistance level, but later I'll show you that it is not like at the turning point. So to me, it is like neither here nor there. Alright, if you know what I'm trying to say. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart, uptrend movement, and we have this horrible setup. If you have not noticed this, then stay away from the 4-hour trades, especially if you are not seasoned with this kind of setup. Although I must say that the movement is pretty what you call attractive, and you know might lure you in, but I would just say no. Alright, it's a sideways increased volatility, or to some of you, you may know it as a loud hailer setup, and it's not very fit for trading. And to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. 1-hour chart, strong bearish movement over here, market go into a consolidation. So what you can do over there is to get into our community by scanning this QR code. It will bring you to our Telegram channel, and from there on the top of the channel you can access our student portal, and over here you can start to learn trading for free. Over here, free trading course, I've really labeled it, so it's really simple for you to get to it. There's no obligation for you to trade with any trading houses, or you have to do certain things, but I just say if you have benefit from it, do share this with your friends. Share our Telegram channel with your friends so they can benefit from it. And that is one place that you definitely want to be in, because if you have like sharing information, news and article and whatsoever, filtered kind of news, I'll be sharing on the Telegram channel. And of course, if any social media platform that I'm using, I'm sharing information, usually I'll cross post over there. Alright, but I want to keep it like not too much for you guys, so it's best to follow me on all other social media if you don't want to miss out. Alright, if I keep it minimum, then Telegram is the place. If you have space for one more, then go for Instagram as well, followed by Twitter, followed by LinkedIn. Alright, so anyway, if you want to learn more about other tradings, and you know you want to be more serious as a forex traders, you want to take this to the next level, drop me a note. We do need to have a call with you to make sure that you're a good fit before we accept you as our students. All right, because we want people we accept to have a success rate, so we have to make sure that you fit into our profile and the kind of students we are looking at. Based on previous experience, 14 years of coaching and 17 years of trading myself, to see if you're a good fit in our community. Alright, so if you scroll down further, you can see even some of our trading ideas. Over here is 2-1 ratio. A lot of trades, 90% of our trades are 2-1 ratio, meaning you say that every dollar we risk, the potential profit is $2, and that means with just 40% accuracy rates, we can be profitable. Alright, and look over here, we have a 7.4:1 reward is to risk. That's even better, but this kind of trading setup are usually very rare. We expect to see this kind of potential about 6 times a year. Alright, so this is the way we trade. We are looking for not 30 pips, 20 pips, but 78 pips, 161 pips. This 23 pips is just for us to shift stops to entry. We're not taking profits out of it. And over here you can have a look. 120 pips, 658 pips. So if you want to get serious in trading, well, drop me a note. Back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. This could go a bit long because it can be a bit complicated, and I don't want to confuse you. Alright, so on the daily chart, what we see over here is a bullish flag pattern. That's the overall view. Market has already hit the previous support and right now turn in resistance. It did break and close above the high Alright, but it does create this long shadow, so technically the resistance is not broken. Alright, because you need a break and close above. It didn't happen and it became a longer wick, which means a bigger resistance area, which this part can be a bit tricky. Alright, so if you're looking for a buying opportunity, I'm waiting for a buying opportunity after a pullback to 82.93. As long as it never go higher, that will be the level I'm looking at, somewhere near 83 zone for a buying opportunity. So I want to see the base of the daily chart, market has to travel down and respect this zone and never close below 80.58. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is the loud halo formation I'm talking about, the bullish trend over here. Then market start to go sideways in an increased volatility manner. This is a trading that I teach many years back, but right now I have not produced those trading yet. Yeah, those are the art side of trading, and you can see how these levels has been touched. So one of the way to trade it, definitely to short it on the red and buy on the blue, as simple as that. But I would suggest you not to do so, because sideways increased volatility is not flush to the trend line many of times. It can even went out, came back in, and stuff like that. It can get horrible and confusing to most traders. To the 1-hour chart, we have a bullish shark pattern that has not complete yet. Completion of it has to touch 83.97, basically 84 price thereabout, for it to be valid. And what's interesting, because of this kind of setup that I have, I am going one time frame lower. So this is where a bit of confusion can come in. Well, there are two potential setups. The first one is the Bullish Gartley Pattern. Yellow stand for Gartley and this light red stand for Bat. Alright, so over here 84.31. So if market travel excuse me, so if the market travel down and hit this region at 84.30, then that gives me a buying opportunity on this Bullish Gartley pattern. However, it might not invalidate the Bat pattern. If the market went back up, then I'm looking for a shorting opportunity at about 86.25. And take note that this is a 15-minute chart, so there is a good chance that this setup can complete within a day, if not 2 days. All right, and this is rarely I'm looking at a 15-minute chart, and that is because for the bearish setup from the top to bottom, what we can see over here is a 240 pips. It's extremely volatile. So if the trades do go for the buying opportunity instead, then it might not be that lucrative depending how the market goes, but it does pass one of my general rule. And over here from the bottom to the top of this potential bullish Gartley pattern has 114 pips, and that's good enough for me. Alright, so this is something that you can look at, and once you see a cyan flag over here, that means that it is close to instant execution opportunity once market open. This is something that I want you to take note of, and don't slack off this Monday. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 currency pairs having a cyan marking. Alright, so if you'd like to receive all of them, you have to be in our community, because when the setup is here, I will send out an email to our students. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always play your trade and trade your plan. See you guys around, and take care.